What is copyright infringement in business law? Imagine spending hours creating a design or writing a piece of music, only to find someone else using it without permission. That's what copyright infringement is all about. It happens when a person or business uses someone else's protected work without getting the right to do so. Copyright law gives creators the exclusive rights to reproduce, share, display, perform, or make new works based on their original. When a business uses content like images, music, software, or videos without permission, it risks breaking these rights. In business, copyright infringement doesn't need to be intentional. Even if a company copies something by mistake or without realizing it, they can still face legal trouble. To prove infringement, the copyright owner must show they hold a valid copyright and that the business copied protected parts of their work. Ownership can be established through creation, assignment, or licensing. Copying is often shown by proving the business had access to the original and that the two works are very similar. Common examples include using a photo from the internet on a website without permission, distributing software without a license, or playing copyrighted music in a store without a license. Even designing a product that looks like a copyrighted design can lead to a claim. The consequences can be serious. The copyright owner can sue for damages, which might include lost profits or the infringer's earnings. In some cases, especially if the infringement is intentional and for-profit, criminal penalties like fines or jail time can happen. Businesses can defend themselves with certain rules. Fair use allows limited use of copyrighted work for purposes like criticism, news, teaching, or research. But fair use is limited and depends on how much of the work is used, why it's used, and whether it harms the original market. To avoid trouble, companies should have clear policies for content use. This includes getting proper licenses, using royalty-free or original content, and training employees on copyright rules. When unsure, it's best to ask a legal expert before using third-party content. Understanding copyright infringement is key for any business that creates or uses creative content. Respecting these laws helps avoid costly legal issues and protects your reputation. Taking proactive steps like licensing content properly and knowing your rights can keep your business safe and compliant.